Alright guys, a quick video how to replace headlight bulb on Mazda. This method is actually good for almost every Japanese brand. Very easy thing to do, you can do it yourself. Let's open the bonnet first and then we will see our lamp there, which must be replaced. So here is our bulb. It's a H11 if someone needs to know. Looks like this. Nothing fancy. So what we need to do is to take out the old one and replace it. And that's very easy to do. You have here a clicking system disconnector. You need to disconnect this first, like that. Just push it down. There you go. How this works, you need to turn it counterclockwise like this, just a little, like so, and you just pull this out like that. Now we compare our two lamps. If they fit, this should be good. So you take the new one, you put it in, and you turn it down now clockwise like this. Don't forget your connector, like so. This is your lamp, that's the connector. You just put it all together and that's it, nothing difficult.